Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You must start now. Ensure recent backups exist and eject any SD card, because corrupted media can trigger crashes. Reboot into safe mode to see if a third-party app causes the error. Once done, note whether the message persists. Next, open Settings, go to Apps, find System UI and Google App, and clear cache. This removes temporary files that often break the interface. Make sure to use Force Stop if the UI is still active, then reboot normally to test. You should continue by resetting app preferences to restore default handlers and disabled components. This fixes misrouted intents. If the issue started after an update, uninstall the latest system app update or remove the offending app, and always make sure to reboot between attempts. For advanced repair, enable USB debugging and use ADB to pull logcat traces to pinpoint the crashing package. And if you have a compatible build, sideload a clean system UI APK, only from trusted sources, to replace corrupted binary. You finish by performing a factory reset only after confirming backups. This removes persistent corruption. If the reset does not help, reflash stock firmware or factory image using the vendor tool, because that restores all system partitions to known good state. Once completed, restore apps carefully and make sure to monitor stability. If problems remain, check collected logcat output and test in safe mode. As a key troubleshooting tip, reinstall apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.